Your house is about to get embarrassingly smarter than you.
Doors that recognize your face. Vacuums that climb stairs like little robot mountaineers. Fridges that plan dinner before you've even thought about it.
This isn't some far-off concept real.
It's shipping in 2026. And honestly, some of it sounds almost illegal, it's so far ahead.
Number 10, Doma Smart Door.
There's a very specific dread that hits when you're stuck in traffic and a delivery driver is standing at your door with a package you actually needed signed for.
Most smart locks don't fix that. They slap a chip onto the same old hardware and call it innovation. Doma skipped that compromise and rebuilt the whole door from scratch.
Camera, doorbell, sensors, and a UWB hands-free lock are built directly into the frame, not bolted on as an afterthought.
Walk up with your phone still in your pocket and it just opens.
No app, no fumbling, no digging through your bag for keys. It feels like something a movie prop department would build for a film set 20 years from now, except you can order it today.
Number 9, Soulaca Makeup Mirror TV. Bad bathroom lighting has ruined more first dates and job interviews than people would ever admit.
You leave feeling confident, then catch your reflection in daylight and immediately regret every choice you made getting ready.
Soulaca's fix is a mashup nobody asked for, but plenty secretly need.
It's a 43-inch 4K smart TV hiding behind a mirror, wrapped with a front-facing LED strip tuned for makeup and grooming, plus a warm ambient backlight for when you just want to unwind. It streams Netflix and YouTube through Google TV, shrugs off bathroom humidity with an IP65 rating, and somehow looks elegant instead of gimmicky above a sink. Independent remotes for the TV, front light, and backlight mean you're never stuck with one mood when you need three.
Number 8, Lockin V7 Max.
Nothing ruins a trip faster than realizing your front door lock died while you were 3 states away, leaving your neighbor's kid holding your spare key. Batteries always quit at the worst possible moment.
Lockin fixed that in a way that sounds like a magic trick.
The V7 Max charges wirelessly through beamed light, a system called Aura Charge, so it never needs a swap even while running palm vein recognition, finger vein scanning, and full 3D facial recognition simultaneously. That's a wild amount of biometric horsepower crammed into what used to be a plain deadbolt. Add AI delivery monitoring and full matter support, and it stops feeling like a lock and starts feeling like a security checkpoint guarding your living room.
Number 7, LG CLOiD Home Robot.
The average person burns roughly 6 hours a week on household chores. That's almost a full workday spent folding laundry and shuffling back and forth across the house for tasks that never end.
LG's CLOiD exists to claw some of that time back.
It loads your washing machine, retrieves a drink from the fridge, and coordinates every appliance in your home through thin Q and matter, all without you lifting a finger. Think less gadget and more butler who never complains and never clocks out. It's an early look at what a home robot becomes once it stops being a glorified vacuum and starts actually running errands.
Number 6, GE Profile Smart Refrigerator with Kitchen Assistant. You're standing in the cereal aisle trying to remember if you already have eggs at home. Phone in hand, staring blankly like it's a pop quiz you never studied for. Everyone has lived this moment. GE built a fridge that ends it.
A built-in Android touchscreen, an internal produced camera, and a barcode scanner let you check what's actually inside from anywhere. It builds shopping lists by voice and suggests meals based on what's already lingering in your crisper drawer.
It's not flashy, and it doesn't need to be.
Sometimes the smartest tech isn't the one that dazzles you, it's the one that quietly saves you a wasted trip to the store.
Number 5, Aqara Camera Hub G350.
Somewhere behind most smart home owners' routers sit a tangled mess of 4 different hubs, each one stubbornly doing exactly one job. It's the dirty little secret nobody brags about. The G350 exists to end that clutter. On the surface, it's a security camera, packing a dual-lens 4K and 2.5K setup, 9x hybrid zoom, and full 360-degree coverage. Underneath, it's also a Matter controller, a Zigbee hub, and a Thread border router in one compact unit. Instead of adding another box to the pile, it replaces 3 or 4 at once while still shooting sharper footage than most standalone cameras on shelves right now.
Number 4, Philips Hue SpatialAware.
Anyone who's tried to recreate that warm, cinematic lighting from a design blog knows the specific disappointment that follows. You buy the same bulbs, place them where they looked good in the photo, and your room still ends up looking like a waiting room. Philips Hue basically hired an AI to be the lighting designer you could never afford to bring in yourself. SpatialAware uses your phone's LiDAR scanner to map exactly where every bulb sits, then builds dynamic 3D lighting scenes tailored to your actual space, not some generic template. Sunsets sweeping across the ceiling, light waves rippling in sync with your furniture. It sounds indulgent until you watch it running live.
This isn't mood lighting anymore. It's your room learning to choreograph itself. Number 3, Aqara Thermostat Hub W200. Hands covered in flour, mid-recipe, and the doorbell rings at the worst second. Wiping everything down just to check a screen feels like the dumbest tax of modern life. And yet almost everyone pays it weekly. The W200 kills that annoyance without you even asking. A video doorbell preview folds directly into your thermostat, and a built-in mmWave presence sensor wakes the display the moment you walk near it. So a glance at the wall tells you exactly who's outside. It's also quietly running as a Matter hub, Zigbee hub, and thread border router underneath that plain exterior nobody would look twice at in a showroom. The least flashy device on this list somehow ended up being one of the most genuinely useful. Number 2, Samsung Bespoke AI JetBot Steam Ultra. Imagine a robot vacuum that talks back. Not a beep, an actual conversation happening while it's steam mopping your kitchen floor and somehow still tracking the room around it. Samsung leaned hard into that with the JetBot Steam Ultra. It vacuums and steam mops in a single pass, uses AI vision to identify objects and dodge obstacles before they become a mess, and runs Bixby so you can literally ask it questions mid-clean. It doubles as a roaming home monitor too, streaming live footage while patrolling your house and adjusting its cleaning strategy based on what it actually sees. Calling this just a vacuum massively undersells what's happening under that sleek casing. Number 1, Roborock Saros Rover. Stairs have been the one obstacle every robot vacuum ever built has quietly failed at, generation after generation. It's practically the industry's inside joke, the unspoken limit nobody managed to crack for over a decade. Until now, the Saros Rover doesn't just travel between floors like some marketing gimmick, it grows retractable robotic legs and physically climbs each step while vacuuming it along the way. Paired with StarSight 2.0 navigation and dual LiDAR obstacle detection, it builds a full 3D map of your entire home across multiple levels, all without any help from you. This isn't a small upgrade tacked onto last year's model with a fresh coat of paint. It's a genuine redefinition of what a robot vacuum is even allowed to do, and that's exactly why it earns the top spot on this list.